Ensaladang gulay, vegetable salad. All these and yummy delicious recipes you can find in the cookbook Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her adoring daughter Juanita Gutierrez, now available at Amazon.com and all bookstores. Mabuhay ang pagkaing Pilipino, mabuhay ang ating mga magulang, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay tayong lahat. Ensaladang gulay, masarap ito. Everything, the delicious recipes you can find in my beloved mother's secret cooking recipes you will find in this book, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by Juanita Gutierrez. And this kitchen was taken, this picture actually was taken in our first house in the Philippines while we were growing up. And Mom, my beloved mother, used to cook delicious, masarap na pagkain for all of us, her children. All these secrets you can find in cooking in this cookbook that I offer as a tribute to the great cooking skill of Mom. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes by Juanita Gutierrez. Masarap ang ensaladang gulay. Enjoy! Mabuhay tayong lahat!